There are nucleotides that code for an amino acid, and that's called a codon. There are three of them that code for a specific amino acid. So let's go back to the top and kind of make some sense out of all this maybe. UAA, UAG, UGA all will terminate or stop a translational process. The start codon for a protein in the process of translation is always this. It's methionine. And by the way, you can, on a wheel or on a chart, you can cross-reference these three-letter codons to the amino acid that they match to. And another kind of interesting thing is that some amino acids have multiple letter combinations that will code for them. On the transfer RNA, there is a matching portion that matches to the codon on the messenger RNA. On the transfer RNA, it is called anti. It's called this.